To the untrained eye, this looks like a big square whatever. But that is an electric service there. There's a window. I'm going to put those crystal blocks in there. This is for the sink, water, drain. This is for the toilet. And this thing that's in there, that tube, it's like an exhaust valve. So you know how you have some toilets that once in a while there's gas that builds up? Well, instead of backing up in the toilet, it will go out into the air. It's vented up there. If you don't have that, it's a big deal, but if you don't have it, you'll know it. Here's the service panel, and it's going to be wired like a ship. I mean, this guy does wiring like I've never seen. It's big enough I could actually sleep in it. It's a little over 7 feet wide, and it also has electric for a light. That's the storage unit, and so you have storage and you have the bathroom. Now over here they're going to start forming this up pretty soon, like Monday, and all these wood and rebar and all this is going to be for countertops. Oops, So they're gonna make the wood burning pizza oven here, and this is gonna be a wall on either side of it. It's gonna curve down. It's gonna be very sexy, and then the pizza oven will be there. Then there's counter space, and then over here there'll be a sink for cleaning. It's a commercial sink that I bought, and an electric outlet nearby for whatever. I like a lot of electrical outlets, and it'll be CFG. So, and this here is going to be for gas that will service the griddle, the grill, the burning, the oven, or the burners and so forth. And that is going to come, and there's going to be an allowance for that space. Over here will be the another electric panel, and then this electric here is going to be for this massive refrigerator freezer that I bought. It's beautiful, and that'll be going there. And of course, when you put it all together, that's kitchen service for 25 people basically, and bathrooms. Now this here, where you see those 4, and there's electric service there, it'll be a big 2 meter, 6 foot plus the curve on either side counter, so you can have buffet service. This electric here is going to have a rope light that shines down, and then there'll also be service if you want to put a toaster or a coffee maker on top of the whatever. And this is all seating, which it's all blocked by different things, so it doesn't look like much, but it's a large space for seating. And then of course the roof will have there's no roof, but the roof will have fans and lights, and the columns also, these columns here will also have lighting. There's all kinds of lighting, and I'm big on lighting. So they'll have the house lights, all controlled from inside of the bodega or whatever, the storage. And I'm going to have a stereo and TV mounted on the wall that will have service going into the storage area, so you won't see any wires, and we'll be able to have movies and so forth, and it all is controlled again from the inside. This space here is going to be, there's going to be an entrance right here, and then this area here we can have a cashier, or we can have a table that has the menu on it. And right here I'm going to have a sign, a beautiful sign put. It's going to say the Pavillion at Casa Colonial. And I'm sure I'm missing something, but they're the bricks for the oven. This is aggregate to mix the concrete for all these countertops and everything, it's all going to be rebar and cement, and then we're going to cover everything with Talavera tile, decorative, beautiful Talavera tile, and of course the floor is going to be all Ticul, which is Mexican marble, and then there'll be a about the size of that column, there'll be river rocks, so that'll edge it, frame the beautiful marble floor. And of course the furniture is going to be all Ecopoli. It's being made right now, and that's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So everything, every inch of this thing is going to be covered. There'll be a mural on the wall over here. There's downlights to show off the mural, and there's, like I said, there's lights everywhere, and they're all hidden. All the wires are hidden. So I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but that's basically it.